My name is Alejandro Kowalski, and today I'm going to talk to you about a subject that really appasionates me: personal branding. Suppose you need to buy something that you do not use to buy frequently, and you go to your local market, and when you arrive to the shelf, you find out that there are plenty of products to choose from. Which one will you select? In some cases, you will select the one that is cheapest. But when quality is important to you, then you will choose the one with the strongest brand. Some time ago, in the computer world, when you need to buy something, the people used to say that you should buy IBM, because if there is a problem, you can relax, because nobody has been fired for buying IBM. That is the importance of the brand. When you hear about a brand, automatically comes to your mind a set of characteristics, virtues, and qualities of a product that allows you to position it on a scale of value. Talking about brands, there are some aspects that you need to consider. One of those aspects that you need to consider is notoriety. And the only way to achieve notoriety is throughout the continuous disclosure of your brand and its qualities. Another aspect to be considered about brands is reputation. For consumer products, the reputation is achieved when the product is tested and it exceeds the expectation they have about the product. You must be careful, because some brands are not well appreciated. And it's very difficult to increase the reputation of a negative image, while it is very easy to lose the reputation of a good image. In summary, the disclosure should relate a set of qualities and virtues to the product, which should be supported by the positive experience of the market with your product. What if we took this concept to the scope of a particular person? It is possible to associate a person to a set of virtues and qualities? Of course, this is what is called personal branding. All those known persons, famous persons, politicians, musicians, artists, high managers in big companies have their own personal brand. And what about ordinary persons, like you and me? It's possible for us to build our own personal brand? And the good news is there are a lot of tools that will help us to achieve that goal. Suppose that you present your resume to an excellent job that you have been chasing for a long time. With your resume, there are dozens of other professional resumes competing for the same job. Your own personal brand will enable you to differentiate from those other professionals and helping you to be the perfect candidate for that job. First, let's take a look what is known about you. Go ahead and Google your name. What do you find out? What is said about you? Is there any picture of you? Which picture? It's good to know that that's the same information that a recruiter will find about you. If you're not a known person, you are what internet says you are. And how to build your own personal brand? Well, very easy. You need to follow this step. First, you need to define, create your own brand. What do you do best? Extremely best. What is it that differentiates you from other similar persons? Who benefit most of your services? The next step is to take your brand and translate it to the internet. Put it online. And there are a lot of tools that will help you to achieve that. And finally, you need to maintain the reputation of your brand. To do this, you have to keep informed your market with everything you do in the area where you position yourself. You have to make contributions to your community, and you need to be known. In next videos, I'm going to talk in detail for each one of these steps and propose tools that will help you to generate your own personal brand and differentiate yourself from others. My name is Alejandro Kowalski. I give value first. I help other people. I try to do my best in everything I do. I establish long-term relationship. I accept total responsibility of my acts, and I have fun. That's the way I live my life. Thank you and good night.